Hello, Jay the Shark here for 5 Star Marine. Now, in the heart of Thailand's scenic island of Phuket, a unique and awe-inspiring celebration takes place annually. Some might call it gruesome. Some might call it loud. Some might call it crazy. It's called the 9 Emperor Gods Festival. But to everybody in Phuket and around Thailand and around the world, it's known as the Phuket Vegetarian Festival. This vibrant event, which is deeply rooted in the island's history and culture, showcases a fascinating blend of spirituality, can't say that word very well, tradition and culinary exploration. The week-long event, 9 days for many people, devotes abstaining from meat and engages in various rituals. The festival paints a colourful picture of faith and culinary diversity. But, I hear you say, but, when, and more importantly, why did it all start? Well, it's time for your history lesson. Thanks, Jay. The origins of the Phuket Vegetarian Festival can be traced back to the 19th century. According to local legend, a visiting Chinese opera troupe fell ill while performing on the island. They decided to observe a strict vegetarian diet and perform rituals to honour the 9 Emperor Gods, to bring protection and good fortune. And guess what? Miraculously, the troupe recovered and the festival was born as a way to express gratitude for their newfound health. That's right, and that's your history lesson over. Back to you, Jay. Thanks, History Jay. Right, that's your history lesson over. The Phuket Vegetarian Festival is marked by its unique and often intense rituals that embody the spirit of purity and devotion. Participants known as the Ma Song believe that they become possessed by spirits during the festival. They undertake daring acts to demonstrate their commitment, such as piercing their cheeks, I went for head, with sharp objects, or walking on hot coals. I'm not walking on hot coals, it's hot enough as it is here. These acts are believed to purify the community and protect it from harm. They're doing it for you, that's right, the community. The focal point of the festival is the 9 Emperor Gods temples in Phuket town, where participants gather to cleanse their bodies and minds. The practice of abstaining from meat and animal products during the festival is seen as a way to purify one's soul and create a sense of solidarity among the participants. Local markets burst with a wide variety of vegetarian dishes, ranging from delectable street food to elaborate restaurant offerings, showcasing the culinary creativity that stems from the dietary restrictions. Vegetables. What truly sets the Phuket Vegetarian Festival apart is the ability to transcend cultural boundaries. That's right. While rooted in Chinese Taoist, I think that's the right word, beliefs, the festival is celebrated by people of various backgrounds and nationalities. This seamless fusion of Thai and Chinese customs during the festival highlights the harmonious coexistence of different cultures in Phuket. This cultural amalgamation, that's a great word, is evident in the lively parades that take place throughout the whole of Phuket, featuring traditional Chinese lion and dragon dances accompanied by Thai dance performances, creating a captivating spectacle of colour and energy. I should also mention the firecrackers, because they're a massive part. There's firecrackers everywhere. Anyway, the Phuket Vegetarian Festival has grown beyond the local celebration, attracting tourists from all over the world. Travel enthusiasts and cultural seekers flock to Phuket to witness the extraordinary rituals and immerse themselves in the rich traditions. The festival has become a significant, I can't say that word, significant, it's close enough, contributor for the local economy, boosting tourism and generating revenue for local businesses. This economic upswing allows locals to showcase their craftsmanship, their art, their cuisine on a global stage. Now, in recent years, there's been a conscious effort to preserve the authenticity of the Phuket Vegetarian Festival while adapting to more modern times. Event organisers are balancing the traditions with safety, but trust me, when I first saw this 16 years ago, there were no safety measures in place whatsoever. But they've now put them in place to ensure the well-being of participants and spectators during the intense rituals. Now, this balance allows the festival to evolve while maintaining its cultural integrity. That's right. Now, the Phuket Vegetarian Festival is a remarkable event that encapsulates the essence of tradition, spirituality, I still can't say that word, and cultural diversity. With its origins deeply entrenched in history, the festival has evolved into a vibrant showcase of faith and amazing culinary experiences. As participants and spectators come together to celebrate, they not only witness breathtaking rituals like this one, but also experience the harmonious blend of cultures that make Phuket a truly unique destination. Whether you're drawn in by the awe-inspiring rituals, the delectable vegetarian cuisine, or the captivating cultural amalgamation, the Phuket Vegetarian Festival promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Thai-Chinese traditions. Just don't stick stuff through your face. Now leave that to the Ma songs. It is truly an amazing festival. Every year I go and see it. Every year I had an amazing time, and every year I come out not be able to hear anything because of all the firecrackers and smelling of fireworks. It is amazing. If you're here in Phuket during October, make sure you go and check it out. Phuket Town is the place to be. And if you're not here in October, then book up for next October, book a 5-star marine tour, and then go and see the Phuket Vegetarian Festival. Cool? Good. Right, please make sure you like and subscribe. I've been Johnny Shark. Thanks for watching. Bye!